Hey guys, so we are going through NCT Dreams Back to School Kit. We have two different styles. It says it right on the back whose you have. So I have Hichan and Jeno. I don't know. I'm the worst with names, but start with this one. They should be pretty much roughly the same, just different photos depending on the member you got. We'll start at the bottom so I can put everything in the box as I go back. So here we have our little notebook holder. And our two different style notebooks. So in this one we have gridded paper, solid paper. And in this one, we've got lined paper, solid, just blank paper, and then you would just slide this into the arms, and there's a little hole here for the keychain that'll come in later. Let me put this like how it was. And then there's a zipper so you can store pencils, stickers, whatever you want in the cover. And like I said, we've got some stickers. All of it's fall. Alright, so you just get two sheets in each. One is whoever the member you picked is, and then one is just in every member of NCT Dream. And then we get a little goodie pack. We have the ID card. So we've got the ID card. And then we have the photos. So you could like put your little photo, cut it out and place it there. And then, like I said, the keychain piece. And then we have a set of sticky notes. 3 different styles. You get... making a mess in the box. Pencils with different little, I guess, phrases on them. Love pencils. Well, more of a gel pen-ish type person myself, but. And then you get like a set of little bookmarks. Or rulers. I'll call Bookmark Ruler. And that is pretty much it. So the only differences are going to be the member part. So that's all I'm going to show in the other box. So you can just see what the images look like. It's really just going to be that one like kit part. Got the keychain, the ID card, and all that stuff. Yep. See, bookmarks are the same. So here, so the stickers. And then we've got, let me pull them out. Or separate it more, I guess. The ID card. Little photos to cut out and put on the ID card. You can probably put them on your notebook. And then your keychain. And that's all that's different. Everything else should be the same. And that is it. A little quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry I didn't get all of them, but they are pretty kind of expensive. And like when I looked at them, I noticed a lot wasn't going to be different. So I figured I would just kind of get my favorite members from the group. But I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Like, subscribe, and share if you want. And until the next video. Bye, guys.